If your Gmail app is not syncing properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the sync problem step by step. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of browser glitches, cache data, incorrect system time, a sign-in problem, or even a full Google storage limit. The good news is that most of these fixes are quick and easy to do. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, we're going to hard refresh Gmail. Open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, use a hard refresh to force the page to reload properly. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift and O. This can fix temporary loading issues and help Gmail resync with the server. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner, then go to Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security and click Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Old cached files can sometimes stop Gmail from updating correctly, so clearing them often fixes the sync issue immediately. Now let's check your system date and time, because an incorrect clock can cause Gmail syncing errors. If you're using Windows, open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time, and turn on Set Time automatically. If you're on a Mac, open System Settings, go to General, then Date and Time, and turn on Set Date and Time automatically. This is an important step because if your device time is off, Gmail may have trouble connecting properly and syncing your account. After that, try signing out and signing back in to your Google account. Open accounts.google.com, click your profile picture, and sign out completely. Then close the browser, reopen Gmail, and sign in again with your account. This refreshes your session and can fix account-related syncing issues. Finally, check your Google storage limit. Open one.google.com/storage and review how much space you're using. If your storage is full, Gmail may stop syncing new messages and attachments properly. Delete large emails, unnecessary files, or old data you no longer need to free up space. Once you've done all of these steps, Gmail should start syncing normally again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.